Here's my sponsored part through NRG Innovations and carsponsors.com. This is a great hub adapter. Nice build quality. This is the Forged 2.0 purple. The only issue I had with it was I needed to change the black wire there to a female end, as my steering wheel has two male ends. Now, most of the other BRZs, they have a little spot right here that you'd pull a door open. Well, this car only has the hole, so I just need to stick a screwdriver in there and depress all the connectors. After depressing the connectors, you should have your airbag sitting out like this, and we need to pull off the horn, as well as pop these tabs up for the airbag. And they will come off just like that. Now the next step will be going through and going to that nut right there and loosening it up so we can pull the steering wheel off. As you can see, I now have it loose, so we will just kind of tug on the steering wheel and get that to come loose. I will be retaining my cruise control. I bought a Battle Arrow relocation kit, so you will see that be installed as well as we're doing the steering wheel. So now I have my resistors all taped in. That way I won't have an airbag light. And I'm going to stuff these wires all in underneath my Viilante short hub. I'm going to have to possibly leave the cruise control wire, which would be this one right here, hanging, depending if my screws are long enough or not to put on my relocation kit. Alright, so the short hub is all attached. I'm leaving this wire here for right now. I'm going to have to pull the short hub off whenever I get the right hardware for my Battle Arrow relocation kit, and then run it through the hole there. And as you see, whenever it's setting on, it will actually come out the bottom of it and not impede the ring of the quick release. Till then, I'm just gonna leave it hang right there. It's not gonna be a big deal. It kind of keeps it out of the way for the most part. So now what we need to do, since we have our horn all connected, is tape up the connections so that way they don't come apart, and it keeps it from making contact with metal. That way there's no grounding issues. And just attach these screws into this. Make sure that that all matches up properly like that, and we will have everything installed. Now I have the quick release connected to the short hub, all nice and tight, as you can see. And now it's time to check it out. And there you have it. We're all good to go. I actually can't wait to go through and drive this car even more now with this. And this is actually a really nice steering wheel. It's out a little bit further than I expected, but I can always move my seat back. I always kind of kept my seat closer just due to the fact of how far in my steering wheel was, but having this deeper dish, I'm definitely gonna have to start moving my seat back. So now, just to verify, I'm gonna start the car, make sure there's no airbag lights, and see if the horn works.